You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this your truck?
Me.
Alright. So what are we doing today?
We're fixing the tailgate latch.
Tailgate latch. Alright, let's go check it out. Okay. So tailgate latch. I got it. The latch is fine and it holds, but this handle made of plastic. And so what happens is, on the inside, right here, there's a metal piece that usually covers this, but we had to take it off so that we could get to this piece and kind of pinch it. Right, because when you pull that handle, these little pieces are supposed to push down on this, which pull this lever, which pulls this in.
But only one is getting...
Right, but only one is getting pulled because it's plastic and it disconnected from the piece. So these two bolts, we need to take these two bolts out, right here and here, and then it just slips out. Put the new one in, reattach the bolts, put some WD-40 on it, put some white grease on it to make sure it continues to work, and then I bought some new bolts to put this on here. So first thing we're going to need to do is find the right size, and I want to say it's 10 millimeter. I might have to take my gloves off because, yeah, 10 millimeter! Ha ha! Nailed it! Okay, do it. Nope, there you go. Loosen it. Hold one here. Give it some pressure. There you go. And then, nope, that's just spinning. Turn it the other way. There you go. See, this way just kind of brings it around. Yeah, the actual tension is put on when you turn it. Okay, and then it gets to a certain point where it's just going to move them back around. So then you can just grab this with your fingers and kind of twist a little bit. That's the piece that broke. There. Okay, so we're gonna give WD-40 here, here, like everywhere. The here, here, everywhere where parts rub together. Okay, and then we'll just reach underneath. There we go. Okay, got it through. Okay. There we go. Okay. Put your nut back on there. You probably need your bare hand. The gloves are impeding me, at least. So put it on there, and then start tightening. Good. Good work. So good. Let's give it some white grease before we close this up. Same spots.
Here.
Uh-huh.
Here.
Uh-huh.
Here.
Get it all down in there. Like anywhere where the metal rubs together. See where it's...
Here. Here.
Make sure you get this. There you go.
Here.
Okay. And then some of this.
Here.
Uh-huh. Yeah. There you go.
Here. Here.
Okay. And the other side too.
Here. Here.
Uh-huh.
Here.
There you go. All right. So we're just kind of getting them started. Then you're just going to hit them with a wrench.
Right?
Right. And there we go. We replaced the tailgate handle from the plastic one that came with it. Kind of floppy. With a nice new all-metal tailgate latch. Let's test it out. Boom. Ah! The glove is so slippery. Alright. It's not as big. See this one? See how big that was?
Yeah. I like the metal a lot better.
The metal is better, but now it exposes all this. I guess it cleans up mostly, but you can see where here, where this piece rubbed against this, because this one's the right side was broken, so the left side rubbed against the paint.
Yeah.
But
I think it definitely looks better.
all right.